for become CMA CA student. So today I'm going to discuss problem number 11 in depreciation accounting. You can see the remaining problems on depreciation in the playlist section of the channel. The management of AM Company Limited decided to replace entirely their plant which is out of date. The directors invited quotations for the new machinery and finally accepted the offer of MM Limited for rupees 6,25,000. The plant and machinery account stood at rupees 3,50,000. As against this, there was a depreciation fund amounting to rupees 1,83,750. This fund was invested in government securities and the same were now sold for rupees 1,87,250 net. A part of the old machinery was found to be in good condition and MM Limited agreed to take the same over at rupees 26,250. The rest was sold as scrap for rupees 64,000. Account of MM Limited was settled by cash payment. Write up the necessary accounts in the books of AM Company Limited to record the above transactions. So in this problem, we have to prepare 4 ledgers. So let me show you. So we are preparing the ledger in the books of AM Company Limited. So in the books of AM Company Limited, plant and machinery account. So the first ledger that we have to prepare is the plant and machinery account. Next is the sinking fund account. Third, so let me show you in the T form. Then the third one is the sinking fund investment account. And the fourth ledger is MM Limited. MM Limited, the company from which the machinery will be purchased. The new machinery will be purchased. So the balance of plant was rupees 3,50,000. So 2 in the plant and machinery account, I am writing 2 balance BD rupees 3,50,000. So what is the balance in sinking fund account? So the opening balance is by balance BD. This amount is given at 1,83,750 and the sinking fund investment is the debit balance. So this is 2 balance BD 1,83,750. Now this fund, sinking fund investment, this was sold at rupees 1,87,250. So bank account debit to sinking fund investment account. So by bank account. So by bank account, this is 1,87,250. So what is the profit made by selling this investment? So this balancing figure will be transferred to sinking fund account. So we have to transfer the profit on sale of investment to sinking fund account. So in sinking fund investment account, I am writing to sinking fund account. And the profit is 3,500. 1,87,250. So in sinking fund account, I am transferring the profit from sinking fund investment. So by sinking fund investment account, sinking fund investment account. So this is 3,500. This is 1,87,250 and we are going to transfer this balance to plant and machinery account. So to plant and machinery account, I am going to transfer this balance of 1,87,250. So in plant and machinery account, I am writing by sinking fund account. This is 1,87,250. So it is given in the question that new plant and machinery was purchased from MM Limited. So plant and machinery account debit to MM Limited account. I am writing here in plant and machinery account debit to MM Limited 6,25,000. Now in MM Limited I am writing by plant and machinery account 6,25,000. So there was some part of old machinery which was in good condition was taken over by MM Limited. So MM Limited account debit to plant and machinery account. So MM Limited account here 26,250. So this amount of plant and machinery was taken by MM Limited, and the remaining amount was sold as scrap, so by bank. So the scrap value of the old machinery was 64,000. So bank account debit to plant and machinery account. So what is the balance of the profit or loss made by selling this 3,50,000? So this 3,50,000, which was the opening balance of plant and machinery, against which there was a sinking fund account 1,87,250. This amount was transferred from sinking fund account. Then plant and MM Limited took over 26,250 to the value of 26,250 was taken over by MM Limited. So in MM Limited account, I have to post this figure. So to plant and machinery account, 26,250, and for rupees 64,000 it was sold as scrap. So by plant and machinery, so by PL account, you have to write the profit and loss on sale of this 3,50,000. There was a loss incurred for rupees 72,500. So the balancing figure in plant and machinery account will be 6,25,000, and the loss that was incurred from the sale of or from the disposal of the old machinery was 72,500, which is the balancing figure in plant and machinery account. So total of plant and machinery account is 9,75,000 and 9,75,000 on the credit side. So the balancing figure in MM Limited account represents the amount that was paid to MM Limited by AM Company Limited. So here I am writing MM Limited account debit to bank account 5,98,750. So please try to solve the problem the way I have done it here, and see the relation between the sinking fund account, the sinking fund investment account, and the relation between the sinking fund account with the plant and machinery account. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, then subscribe the channel to get regular updates.